video for the installation and disassembling of our heavy deck. Now these two decks are separated. For installation, first you need to align these 4 logs. Then use your hands to press them down. For disassembling, the decks should be lifted up. Here, as you could see, there are these little black components. It's our flying special design, which is for strengthening the connection so it won't be separated vertically. It's also very easily to take out with a screwdriver. To put inside, just 2 fingers needed. Thank you for your watching.